As shown in the picture, the machine wooden box be opened. Remove the 4 screws on the left bracket of the front air shaft. Remove the outer shell. Secure the bracket with 6 screws. Secure the outer shell with 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws on the lower right side of the machine. Remove the air shaft motor outer shell. Remove the 4 screws on the right bracket of the front air shaft. Remove the outer shell. Secure the bracket with 8 screws. Secure the outer shell with 4 screws. Install the air-inflated shaft motor outer shell. Secure the left side with 2 screws. Tighten the 2 screws on the right side. Remove the 4 screws from the left side bracket of the rear air expandable shaft. Remove the outer shell. Secure the bracket with 4 screws. Secure the outer shell with 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws from the right side bracket of the rear air-inflated shaft. Remove the outer shell. Secure the bracket with 6 screws. Secure the outer shell with 4 screws. Place the front air-inflated shaft into the bracket slot. Secure with the pull bolt. Place the rear air-inflated shaft into the bracket slot. Secure with the pull bolt. Lift out the light box. Secure both sides with 2 screws. Plug in the power cord. Take the UV chiller. Take the power cord. Plug into the corresponding socket. Take the UV cable. Insert into the corresponding socket according to the label. Take the cable. Insert into the corresponding socket. Take the 2 water pipes and insert them into the corresponding positions. UV chiller installation complete. Loosen the feed rod screws. Lift the feed rod. Insert the support frame. Take the swing arm bracket. Secure with 2 screws. Take the swing arm. Insert into the corresponding position. Secure with screws on both sides. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the taking up unit bracket cover. Lift out the taking up unit support rod. Remove the packaging film. Install the taking up unit. Place it in the corresponding slot. Install the taking up unit cover on both sides. Secure with 2 screws. Remove the taking up unit bracket screws. Remove the screws. Pull out the taking up unit bracket. Remove the 4 screws at both ends of the taking up unit bracket. Remove the taking up unit support rod. Remove the packaging film. Install the taking up unit. Place it into the taking up unit bracket slot. Secure each side with 4 screws. Lift the taking up unit bracket and place it into the corresponding position. Tighten the screw. Install the fixing screw. Installation complete.